Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If AnyDesk is not working on your system, then watch this video for the solutions. The first thing to do is to run AnyDesk as administrator. So we will look for AnyDesk on the search bar, right click, and we will run it as administrator. And this should resolve the issue. If this doesn't work, then we have to go to Task Manager and open it. Look for AnyDesk and right click on it and click End Task. Now the third option is to uninstall and reinstall AnyDesk. So to do that, we need to search for AnyDesk and right click and click on uninstall, and then we have to reinstall it. Now some of you may be having this question that why am I not be able to run as administrator? This option is not available to me. The reason for that is I will show you why. So we will look for AnyDesk download in the search bar and we will click on download. Now we will download it. All right, and now we should not just run it just like that. We should open it in the folder and we should run it as right click, and we should install it as run as administrator. Click yes. Only then will you get that option to run as administrator. And then once you have run this, then once you pop up in the AnyDesk panel, it will ask you whether you want to install AnyDesk. You install AnyDesk and it should be installed in your system. If this video helped, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.